And you see the interior of our nest. With the AstroTurf, with the expeller, with the fingers on the AstroTurf that no birds can get stuck underneath. And you see in the corner, you see the rack and pinion system that is really sturdy, that moves very slowly, and that secures a very secure, slow movement to push the birds out. When you need to take out the pads, we developed a clip that's really easy. You just unclip it. We have 2 per nest. You just unclip it and you pull out the AstroTurf. So within half a minute, you can take out the AstroTurf pad and you can replace it for a new one, or you can flap it against a wall to clean it. You can do whatever you want, but putting in, taking out is really easy, really handy. And it's important that the light shines and lightens out the front area in front of the nest and the drinkers. Because when that is dark, birds don't find it that good and they don't go that good to the nest, to the drinkers, and performance will be lower. So position of the light, everything comes together in a good design and helps to have good performance.